What's in the box?
Bam! Ooh, what an entrance. Welcome to another episode of What's in the Box, the series where I unpack all the stuff that I buy. And here's the latest delivery I received. As you can see, the packaging is a little bit damaged, nothing to do with that smack from earlier, but the model in it seems to be quite okay. Beautiful packaging too, I have to say, really top class, but well, okay, it was quite a cheap model, so I can't really complain too much. So let's open up this box here and have a better look at the car itself. I guess there's no real stylish way of opening up these kind of packagings, but here we go. And here it is then, and this is a scale 124 diecast model of the Brabham BT46B as driven by Niki Lauda in 1978. And I mean, what a car. Oh, this pita tube here is a bit crooked. Let me correct that quickly. Yeah, here we go, quick fix. So yeah, this car of course is well, famous for the big fan at the back, and this is what made this car so special and what made me buy it too. And the model looks pretty decent, I think, with some pretty nice details on it, especially given it only cost me around €30. It actually looks surprisingly good. So I couldn't resist getting one after I've seen it in the flesh not too long ago. But yeah, another nice addition to the collection, I think. And I'll probably do a review of this one soon, we'll see about that. But in the meantime, thanks for watching this unboxing video. Leave a like if you did, check out the channel for other unboxing videos or more in-depth reviews. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to allow it to move forwards. Take care, and I'll see you again in the next one.